to divide mixed fraction. Okay, this is our topic. Dividing mixed fraction. Okay, first you have to change this one, change this mixed form into improper fraction. Okay, 2 times 5 then plus 1. So 11 over copy denominator 2. Then dili sa nato ni usbon ang sign, divide. Kaya nag-change pamanta into improper. Then 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Okay, 13 copy denominator 4. So diri na ta mag get the reciprocal of 13 and over 4 katunang divisor atong balihon. So 11 over 2 copy. Okay, 2. Then change the sign into multiplication sign. Then ato na siyang i-invert. Okay, 4 over 13. Okay, multiply. 11 times 4 equals 44. Over 2 times 13 equals 26. Okay? So, dako na sad ang babaw. So, ato ni siyang i-divide. So, ato na lang, kuano, i-shortcut, no? So, atong siyang i-divide kay 1 rani. Then, ato ni siyang i-subtract 18. 18 over 26. Okay? So, ma-reduce pa ni siya ang 18 over 26 by dividing 2. Okay? So, ato sang ibalhin diri, no? 1, 18 over 26, 26, then divided by 2. Okay, atong i-divide ang babaw og ubos. Okay, don't forget to copy 1, then 18 divided by 2 equals 9, then 26 divided by 2 equals 13. Okay, so this is the final answer because 9 over 13 is lowest term na siya. How about sa second one? Okay, 3 times 5 then plus 2. Okay, 15 plus 2 equals 17 over copy denominator 3. Then sa nato usbon ang divide kay magbali pamantaan ni. Okay, 5 times 10 equals 50 plus 1 equals 51 over, okay, itong klarohon, 51 over copy denominator 5. Okay, so magbali na ta diri, no? Copy 17 over 3 times reciprocal sa 51 over 5 is 5 over 51. Okay, let's multiply. Okay, pwede ni siya makancel. Pwede na to gamitan og cancellation method. Okay, ito i-cancel. Nani makancel ani? Okay, kaning 17 divided by 17. 17 and 51. Ma-divide ni siya sa 17. Divided by 17, 1. Then divided by 17 kay 3. Oh, kita kayo. Gamay na lang kayo habilin. So, 1 na lang. 1 times 5 equals 5. Over 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay? So, lowest term na ang 5/9. Kaysa mag-times pataring 51, adili, 17 times 5, dako na. O 3 times 51, dako na sad. So, by using cancellation method, dali ra siya. Nya, murag, wala na ta mag-reduce. Okay? That's all.